It's still morning, so I can still say good morning. It's delightful to be in Prattville, Alabama, my first time. And the sun is trying to peek out, and we'll see all the glory of where we are. I'm Ned Calonge. I'm the president and CEO of the Colorado Trust. We're a private foundation in Colorado dedicated to achieving health equity for all Coloradans. I am an original rural Coloradan from La Junta, the lower Arkansas Valley. So this is an area of personal passion for me, and I'm really pleased that the National Academies and the Roundtables have come together to talk about this very important subject. I will have to tell you an anecdote about the importance of broadband. My cousin's daughter is getting married this weekend in Redstone, Colorado, and for the first time I got a wedding invitation that said, there is no cellular service in Redstone, Colorado. So it's pervasive, the kind of lack of connectivity, and how we feel we have to announce that to the world. The third sector is a reference to philanthropy and nonprofit work. And we always talk about being the third sector next to government and business. I've never quite figured out where academia fits in there, but I know it's in there somewhere. And the third sector is known for trying to leverage resources in order to achieve the missions of the organization. And so today, I think we're so lucky to have three leaders in the third sector in the foundation world to talk about their work in rural America. I'm going to give you a brief introduction to each. They have fuller bios in the briefing book. I will tell you, it's much more inspirational, and sorry folks, to go to their websites and see what their organizations actually do. So I really encourage you to take one little step to open up what the foundation world is doing for rural health. I'm going to introduce all the speakers quickly, and then they'll come up one at a time, but I do want you to know a little bit about who's talking to you. Felicia Lucky is the Executive Director of the Black Belt Community Foundation in Selma, Alabama. It was established to support community efforts that contribute to the strength, innovation, and success in Alabama's 12 poorest counties. Ashley Browning is Educational Planner in the Office of Continuing Medical Education of East Tennessee State University's Quillen College of Medicine. She's a member and secretary of the board of the directors for the Appalachian Community Fund, a publicly supported nonprofit grant-making organization that provides resources and support to grassroots organizations working to overcome the underlying causes of poverty and injustice in Central Appalachia. And then finally, Dolores Roybal is the executive director of Con Alma Health Foundation in New Mexico and a dear friend. Con Alma's mission is to be aware of and address the health rights and needs of the culturally and demographically diverse peoples and communities of New Mexico, with a focus on rural, tribal, and communities of color. With that, I'll get out of the way and have Felicia come up and give her presentation. Thanks.